Hi, I'm Lisa Anderson, President of LMA Consulting Group, and I wanted to wish all of our clients, colleagues, family, friends, trusted advisors, happy holidays. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, and Happy New Year. I'm actually very excited about 2026. I think it's going to be a powerful year for manufacturing. It's going to take off like no tomorrow, and regional supply chains are going to be nimble. In fact, the smart, forward-thinking companies are going to have more opportunities than ever before. So it's very exciting. And to be able to use AI, artificial intelligence, better utilizing ERP systems will be quite exciting. There'll be the companies that do this well will shoot to the top of their industries. So with that said, I also want to make sure that I recognize and that I pass it on that I think it's really important that we think about talent during this time of the year in our people. Instead of bringing two people together and have 1 + 1 = 2, we should really be thinking about how do we make 1 + 1 = 22, or bring 3 people together and make 1 + 1 + 1 = 33, or why not 333? Look for the collaborative innovation opportunities and value your people. And we look forward to seeing you and partnering with you in 2026.